This photo was sent to me by my son, and he's trying to stump me. Thank you, Stephen. And he's like, "Okay, do something fun with this one." So this kind of illustrates you can take a photo of everything and improve the composition. Now you might be thinking, and rightly so, like, how on earth can you improve this? This is incredibly boring. And it's not so much we're improving it, but we're going to talk about the elements of this and how you could get them to relate. So I couldn't think of again, I just couldn't think of any more boring photo than this one. I'm sure there is one, and that's not a challenge to you to find one. So we have three elements really in this photo. We got this guy, we got the tree, and the background. And so we want to make these two relate. We want to make these two relate to each other. And the only thing we have in our power is the distance from the border of the picture to these elements at the very beginning, so we could match them. And that similarity forces a relationship or a correspondence with each other. The first thing we want to do, though, is we want to fix this photo by having the same distance there as on the bottom, as the bottom on the top. So that's balanced in the picture. I mean, there's nothing here that's of any interest. So, and there's nothing here that's of any interest, and there's nothing here that's of any interest. I mean, really, there's nothing here that's of any interest, but that's another story. I'm gonna pull this up. So there's that dead tree is about the same on the top and the bottom, and then we're gonna pull this in tight, and then I'm gonna match the same distance on the right hand side, and that, my friends, is it. You can see that from this photo, you can see that this element relates to this one just by virtue of this distance and this distance. I mean, the only other object that's close to them is this stuff, but that's kind of in the background. This is all you can do with this photo. But you could see how this serves as a example of how you could get two different elements to at least have some correspondence with each other. And that's it. So, hope you've learned something. Hope it's opened your eyes. And I hope I never have to do this one again or anything like it again.